Hello friends, you must be interested to know how to hide and unhide the channel you have subscribed. For that you need to log into YouTube account. Then you have to click on the profile and then click on your channel. Now you can see you have multiple playlists. In this you have to go to channels. Under channel right now you are not able to see any of the channels you have subscribed. To show the channels you need to click on the profile ID, then YouTube Studio, then click on settings, then channel, then advanced settings, and come down. You can see here manage YouTube account. Click on that, and then you can see privacy on the left side. Click on this. You have to make sure that it is unchecked. You can see it has changed from blue to black. Now we will close this browser and go back to the profile and click on your channel. Now go to the channels. You can see the channel list is visible. To hide, you need to use the same procedure. Now we will go to the mobile screen. You can click on the profile. You will get the screen. Then click on your channel. Now you have to go to the channels. We can see the channel is visible. We will hide it. To hide, click on home and you can see a small pen icon here. You can click on that. You will get this screen. Now you have to click on the slider for keep all my subscription private. Now we'll go and see in channels. We don't see any of the channels visible. Hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please write in the comment section below. If you like the channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.